Hello from Egypt, friends. I just arrived at Alexandria on my pirate ship. What an exciting place full of history and sunshine. Wow! The Great Pyramids of Giza are huge. I can't believe people built these with their own hands so long ago. I flew into a busy market in Cairo today. So many colors, spices, and a tiny fox hiding behind the fruit. The desert is so big and warm. I made a new friend, a playful fennec fox with the biggest ears I've ever seen. Inside this old temple, the walls tell ancient stories in pictures called hieroglyphs. I feel like a real explorer. Look at these wall paintings. And there's a shiny little scarab beetle crawling by. Egypt is full of surprises. At this peaceful oasis, I cooled off with a Nile crocodile. Don't worry, he was very friendly and sleepy. Sailing down the Nile River is magical. I even saw a heron flying above and fish splashing beside me. From high up on this tall obelisk, I can see the whole temple of Karnak. And look, a graceful ibis bird down below. Shh! I just spotted an Egyptian cobra near the rocks. I kept my distance and watched it carefully. The Sphinx looks even more mysterious at night under the stars. I feel like I'm in a dream. These strange white rocks in the desert look like giant mushrooms. I flew between them with the wind in my feathers. In Aswan, I saw colourful Nubian houses and played with a donkey and a cat. So many happy faces here. This temple on the water is so calm. I saw a turtle resting and watched the lotus flowers float by. The market was full of treasures today. I made friends with a camel wearing a bright and beautiful outfit. I tried my first sweet date straight from the tree. Below, goats and kids helped harvest the fruit. The Bedouin camp was so cozy. I listened to music by the fire and cuddled up next to a gentle Saluki dog. I flew high over Mount Sinai at sunrise. The mountains glowed orange and red. It was breathtaking. In Cairo's museum, I saw golden treasures and even a pharaoh's mask. History feels alive here. Goodbye, Egypt. Thank you for the adventures, the friends, and the magic. See you again someday.